Hey, today we're gonna clean our tools. And I have here really bad looking tools, so they are rusted. So I'm just gonna leave them for a few days to a vinegar water. And here I have regular dish soap, and I'm gonna wash these. And if there is something that's like here, you can see there's a sap. You can just take so here I have one of these. It kind of scrubs them, but so this is very soft to clean it. So you just, voila, it comes off. And the other thing is that you can, if there's no sap there, if they are clean enough, you can also wipe them just with a soft cloth. So like this one, this doesn't look very bad. So you just take a cloth and wash it. I'm not gonna wash all these with you guys, but after I have washed these, I will rinse them and I will use this rubbing alcohol after I have dried them, because this one, it says helps prevent the risk of infection in minor cuts, scrapes and burns, but it does the same thing with these tools that we have here. And I want to show you, and then if it's like those ones that I showed you, after a few days I'm gonna scrub them, get the rust out of them, and then I'm gonna use some kind of oil to the oil will prevent the rusting. So here I have Fiskars tools. Here you can see the label Fiskars, and these tools, they are made of different kind of material. Let me see. Okay, like this one says Fiskars titanium non-stick. So this is my best cutter. It's small, but it's really good for, because it doesn't stick. It's very easy to cut. So, and here we have another Fiskars. So these ones you don't need to put oil. And I bought mine just from Home Depot. So they have sometimes good selection of Fiskars tools, gardening tools, and yeah, these cheap knives, I don't usually use these, but what's good with these ones, when I've been having flower arranging courses, so these are so cheap, so I just give this to the participants, and they are happy. They get flower arrangement and a knife. So take good care of your tools, not like me. I let those to rust. And sometimes when you work in flower shops, you might need to bring your own tools, and some flower shops provide you the tools, and it's a good idea after the day's work, you just go ahead and clean your tools. So then next morning you have clean tools. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it's helpful, and later on we're gonna make flower arrangements, so that's why I need to get clean tools also. And we're gonna, as I said, we're gonna make some flower arrangements. And I'm gonna teach how you can do them at home. So first you get your tools. You need a knife, and I would recommend to buy it from floral place. Like here I have, this is Swiss Army knife, but it's for floral designers. It even says where I bought it from. So get decent tools, and not only knife, you need scissors, and you need cutters. Here I have my bigger cutter. So I hope this was helpful, and please like and share and join our channel so we can start making flower arrangements. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.